at RNAS Yeomanton in Somerset, the Fairey Swordfish 1. And you can see it's just been painted D-Day anniversary year in invasion stripes. And this is because, for example, Swordfish of 819 Squadron, stationed at Manston in Kent, were among the Allied aircraft involved in laying smoke screens to cover the passage of those Channel convoys. They planned to use motor launchers, but they didn't have enough available with the necessary equipment. Thanks in large part to the smoke laying by Swordfish, convoy ETP-1, consisting of 10 troop ships, made it successfully through the Straits of Dover. But they weren't the only Swordfish involved. 838 Squadron had Swordfish based at Harrowby in Devon for night patrols off the Brittany coast against German E-boats, their fast patrol craft. 816 Squadron, along with 2 squadrons of anti-U-boat patrols. From an aeroplane that has been conceived in the Navy flight in the 1930s. A wave there being given by the observer in the rear seat. This aeroplane, for so long part of the now disbanded Royal Navy Historic Flight, but now operated by the Navy Wings Heritage Flight. Now as a civilian operated aeroplane, and they look forward very much to the addition of their second Swordfish, the Mark II, back to their airworthy fleet in due course.
What do we say to them when we say I'll get you?
And with this aeroplane this year, they commemorate the eventual 17 Fleet Air Arm squadrons, which received battle honours for their part in Operation Neptune, the invasion of Normandy. have with us on the airfield today, parked in the gun parts, the building just behind and to the east of the control tower, another aircraft that has a very definite Fleet Air Arm D-Day connection in the form of a beautiful beach E-17S, a Staggerwing, or a Traveller, as it was known in military service. An aeroplane has been over in Europe for more than a decade now. It's recently been returned to its original wartime Fleet Air Arm markings, and it's very possible that that very beach 44 includes Sold, which was the busiest during the Normandy invasion, with multiple squadrons of mainly Supermarine Seafires stationed there. Seafires and a small number of Spitfires operated by Fleet Air Arm squadrons were extremely active during Operation Neptune on the 6th of June 1944, providing not only fighter missions but also active in the artillery spotting and naval artillery spotting role, which was also performed by a small number of Spitfires flown by US Navy pilots. This brings final part before heading back to North Wales, its operating base for the weekend. A very important one, Navy wins